All right, what's up, guys? So, got a little Saturday update for you today. As you can tell by the title, a little bit bummed. We'll talk about that in a minute. First, a garage update. So, as you can see, if you saw the last Saturday update, we've made a little progress in the garage, gotten probably about 90% of the crap out of here. Granted, there's still a lot to deal with, particularly in this corner. But yeah, roughly 90% of everything has been gotten rid of. Remember, the exhaust was over here. Somehow, credit to my wife. We took that downstairs. I did not think there was any way in hell we were going to get that downstairs. She had all the faith, and sure enough, we did. I don't know what we're going to do with it. I don't think I can sell it, but I don't know, whatever. At least it's out of here. So yeah, we got all this crap to deal with, but starting in the new year, we're going to go ape shit on this place. So sand, spackle, paint, the back corner there, the wall-mounted pressure washer setup. Over here, we get some cabinets, shelves, workstation, some organization, all of this get cleaned up. I still haven't really made a decision on the floors. Don't know if we're doing Swiss tracks or if I'm just gonna get this resealed. But anyway, so that is a quick garage update in the new year. I'm really excited. This is gonna get the overhaul that it has needed, desperately needed for years now. All right, now let's talk about why I'm a little bummed today. So I just found out last night that I will not be able to attend Invasion this year, Bimmer INVASION, which sucks. I got a wedding that I forgot. I say I forgot because I technically got the save the date for the wedding before the Invasion tickets went on sale, but who looks at that? So I, of course, did not realize that the wedding is literally the night before Invasion. And so, you know, even if I tried to cannonball run it, I think the laws of physics would make it impossible to leave the wedding that night and get to Florida by the start of the show the next morning. So, unfortunately, we'll not be able to attend Invasion this February. Although, I mean, you know, there's a lot of other great events. If Keys Motorsports does their auto show in AC, that usually happens in July. So if they do that, we'll be there for that. There's Impact. If they do the Pocono Raceway show again in August, we'll be there for that. And there's a ton of other, Cars and Coffees events, Lancaster Supercar Cruise, but at least 2 good BMW events that we can still attend next year. But man, I was really looking forward to some of that Orlando 80s, some 80-degree weather during the doldrums of February, the hellscape that is the Northeast. Got to get out of this town, man. But anyway, I digress. So here's what we're going to do. So I got 2 tickets to Invasion. I have the outdoor show and shine ticket that was $50. I got a general admission ticket that was $20. I'm not going to try to get a refund. I don't think they're refundable, and it's a hassle to try to sell them. So instead, I'm going to give them away. Maybe I'll put a little something on Instagram too. But here's what I'm going to do. I don't know. Leave a comment. Say hi. Let me know what kind of car you drive, or let me know what your favorite video is, or leave some feedback, leave some criticism. I don't care. Leave some kind of comment. If there is more than one, I'll use like a randomizer, like a YouTube plugin randomizer thing to pick a random comment as a winner, and then I'll send you the QR codes if you want to go. I don't think there's an issue with the fact that one of the QR codes is linked to I don't know if they link the QR code to the car. I don't know if they verify that when you check in. But just to make sure it's cool, I'll send an email or a DM or whatever to the Invasion crew and see if that's an issue with transferring the tickets. But anyway, yeah. So I'll get that sorted out just to make sure it's all right. But yeah, leave a comment. I don't care what it is. Just say something, and let me know if you're interested. I'll send the tickets over to you. So yeah, that's about it. Again, a little bummed. Good thing it's a family wedding, because, man, if this were like a friend or a distant relative or something like that, I'd be like, sorry, I'll send you a present or something, but I'm not going to make it. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody at this wedding, but the timing of it is just a little bummy. So, all right. Well, anyway, I'm going to make a video on Nardo today, so that should be out in a couple of days, hopefully. Should have this out. Not really a whole lot of editing goes into doing a quick Saturday update, so this should be out pretty soon. But anyway, guys, hope you have a great Saturday. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.